Hey, welcome back to another video at DSR. Today I'm at Dick Lovett in Bristol and I'm taking out the F850 GS. So this is one of BMW's mid-range adventure bikes. You've got the 850 GS, but you also have the 850 GSA. Now in the GS you've got the standard variant, but you've also got the TE, which basically has all the tech that you want on it. Next option you've got is your colour scheme. This one is the trophy, the red, white and blue. You can have racing red or the triple black. The price for the standard model starts just shy of £11,000. This, the TE, with all the extra gear on, will cost you around £2,000 extra. Both models have the same 853cc parallel twin engine, and that engine pumps out 95 brake horsepower.
On the road, what does that mean? It's smooth and powerful. I was able to pull away in every gear. The lower gears are noticeably shorter, and with torque at 92 Newton meters when over 6,000 revs, you feel the character and punch of the parallel twin. The handling for me is defined with that skinny front wheel. It feels light and nimble into corners. With a bit of water on the roads, the front end was a little lofty for my liking, but if you plan to put on some knobblies and go off-road, that sits perfectly. The bike's incredibly comfortable to ride, even standing feels very natural thanks to the ergonomics.
In terms of the ergonomics then, the unladen weight of this is 229 kilograms. It is not a light bike. And with a seat height of 860mm as standard, it's not a natural choice for the shorties either. Shorter riders do have a couple of options though. You can lower the suspension, which takes it down, and also you can get the lower seat option for this. At its lowest, you can get it to roughly 815mm. In terms of tech, as standard, you get rain and road modes. When you upgrade to the TE version, you add in dynamic and enduro modes too. Traction control and ABS are standard, as are the LEDs all around. You get a really clear TFT dash with full phone connectivity, and you also get a handy USB port. TE extras also include heated grips, the luggage rack with holders, but not the actual luggage itself, and also a quick shifter. Thanks so much to Dick Lovett of Bristol for lending us the bike today, and also thank you very much to you for watching. If you've enjoyed today's video, please consider subscribing and also give a thumbs up to the video. Don't forget to catch Matt's video of the 1250 GSA, available here. Thanks again and ride safe.